Hey everybody, it's me, Bari Safari, and I am going to teach you on how to make Chipotle inspired chicken wings. So these chickens I actually got from Food for Less. You're going to start off with your seasonings, which are black pepper, sea salt, olive oil, ancho chili pepper. You have your parsley flakes, onion powder, paprika, and chili powder. You're going to also want lime. I use only half today, but you can use more if you want it a little bit more sour. Okay, first things first is you're going to want to cut the chicken bone where the joints are at. The reason why you want to cut these joints is because you don't want to grill it and the chicken ends up getting really stiff. So I'm going ahead and cutting the joints. And what I do is add 3 lines to the chicken so that way when you cook it, you ensure the inside is cooked all the way. And you're going to go ahead and repeat the process for all the chickens. Okay, so we're going to be adding our olive oil into our chicken so that way everything mixes very well. I add 2 tablespoons. Next, I went ahead and add the paprika. I add 2 tablespoons as well. Add 2 tablespoons of your chili powder. Alrighty, and this is going to be your onion powder, and you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons as well. Alrighty, so we have the parsley here, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the parsley. Add 1 tablespoon of your ancho chili pepper. Okay, in this step, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of both sea salt and pepper. Last but not least, you're gonna go ahead and squeeze that lime into all of the seasonings that you just put into the bowl of chicken. Okay, and then go ahead and mix everything thoroughly until it comes out like this. Okay, now it's grill time. You're gonna want to clean your grill with an onion. I'm not sure why, but you just do. Okay, so when you lay down that chicken, you're gonna want to hear that sizzle. Just like that. And go ahead and lay all the chickens in a nice order. And this is what it should look like. You're gonna go ahead and close that grill, but you want to keep continuing to check on it to see if it's cooking right. After it's come off the grill, this is what the chicken should look like.